Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to add Pinterest board on Notion, then you're at the right place. Today, we are going through a step-by-step guide to how to add Pinterest board to Notion. So, let's dive right in. First, we have to create a new board on Notion. Just click on this icon and a new page will open up for you. I'm going to name this page like Pinterest. Then you need to click on this board and you will find here a plus icon. Click on it, and from here you need to search an option named embed. Now if you can find this option, you just need to type slash then emb, and that's enough for search this option. Here is the embed option for PDFs, Google Maps and other links. Here you can see an section to paste a link. Here go to your Pinterest profile and copy this link as I'm doing. Just copy it and paste it here with HTTPS and click on embed link. After a few seconds you can find the Pinterest board is already added to your Notion page. This is as much simple as you see. Either if you are facing any problem with this process, then you can tell us on our comments below. But hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.